Finding the courage to change, moving in a positive direction. I like to imagine my emotions as a guidance system. Negative emotions tell me I'm trying to paddle upstream. There's lots of effort and resistance. I'm working really hard. Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? But I've discovered that it's pointless to try to go upstream. Life is just so much better when I let go of the oars and allow myself to gently float downstream. I can relax and enjoy the lazy river ride. I can trust the river will eventually carry me to where I want to be. I can believe in the flow of well being coming from Source. Today, I can take a small positive action that will create more positive emotions. I can help a friend, clean something, or make a phone call. Or perhaps I will do something that I've been scared to do just for the practice. This week, I started making cold calls to find new clients. I've been making excuses and dragging my feet. But finally, I started. I focused on the fact that I was bringing something valuable to my prospects. And I decided to apply the Q-tip principle, to quit taking it personally. After 13 attempts and 2 real conversations, I suddenly realized that I wasn't cold calling. I was networking, and I love networking. I enjoy making new friends, learning about them, and finding ways to help them. It didn't take too many steps in the right direction to discover this. All I had to do was take a positive action and trust in the flow of source energy.